Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get copper in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for making things like the small solar, which requires 1 copper to craft it. And to begin, first of all, we'll need to find malachite, which is the copper material from which we'll make the copper. So to begin, the malachite can be found on 2 planets, one of which is the starting planet, Silva, and you can find it in the mountains. The second is Scalador, where you can find the malachite inside of caves. And now to find the malachite, you want to go to mountains on the starting planet, and it should look like these green-oranges crystals sticking out of the mountains. So just pick out your mining tool and go ahead and mine the malachite. And once you hear this kind of ping, this means that you've collected 1 malachite. And now, once you've collected enough of the malachite, you can just put it inside of a smelting furnace to get copper. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.